You ever stop and think about a word you use all the time? Like, really think about it? It turns out some of them have these incredible secret stories baked right in. Today, we're going to crack one open. And what's inside? Well, it tells us something really cool about language itself. So let's get into it.
So, what makes a word essential? I mean, really think about it. How do you decide that one word is absolutely crucial, more fundamental than thousands of others? That's the big question we're chasing today. And our clue, our way in, is a word that honestly we probably all take for granted. And that word is serious. Yep, serious. We're going to be looking at its entry in the Simple English Wiktionary. And I know what you're thinking, a dictionary entry, but trust me on this one. What looks like just a bunch of definitions is actually a breadcrumb trail leading to a huge, fascinating idea.
All right, so first things first, we have to cover the basics, right? What do we even mean when we say serious? Turns out, on the surface, it's doing two main things for us when we talk.
Okay, so job number one, it describes a situation. You know, when you say something like, this is a serious problem. Boom, instantly you know it's not time for jokes. The mood changes. It's a signal that says, hey, pay attention. This is important. And job number two, it describes a person. You can just picture it, right? The woman's face looked serious. That tells you she's not messing around. She means what she says. Her words have weight. It's all about her intent. And it's not just about meaning. Even the sound of the word is a little different depending on where you are. You can see the phonetic spelling here for the US and the UK. It's just a tiny shift in a vowel. Just a cool little reminder that language is always alive, always changing. Okay, so definitions, pronunciation, check. We've got the basics down. But honestly, that's not the exciting part. That's not why we're here. See, if you were to look at that dictionary entry and you scroll down past all the obvious stuff, you'd find this one little sentence. And this sentence, this is the clue that unlocks the whole mystery. There it is, right there, on the Basic English 850 list. This is it. This is the whole thing. It's not another meaning. It's not an origin story. It's a label. It's basically telling us that the word serious is part of some kind of special club. So what is this club? 850. Let that sink in for a second. What a weirdly specific number, right? It's not 500, it's not 1,000. 850. Why that number? What could possibly be so important about the number 850? Well, it turns out that number is everything.
So that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? What in the world is the Basic English 850 list? I mean, yeah, it's a list, but what's it for? And how did our word, serious, get a VIP pass to be on it? Let's dig in.
So get this. The Basic English 850 list is this amazing project. The whole idea was to find a core set of just 850 English words that are so fundamental, so powerful, you can express almost any idea with them. It's like boiling English down to its absolute essence, its most universal and potent form. And this is really the heart of it all. The fact that a word like serious made the cut for this list, it's more than just a fun fact. It tells us so much about why an idea like Basic English even exists and why it's so powerful. So, what's the point of having a list like this? Well, it's actually pretty brilliant. For one, it makes really complex stuff way more accessible. It's a huge help for international communication, giving everyone a common ground. It's an amazing starting block for anyone trying to learn English. And really, at the end of the day, it's all about creating a solid base for anyone to express themselves clearly. So when you peel it all back, this whole journey into the word serious really isn't just about one word, is it? It's a powerful reminder that being a great communicator isn't about knowing the biggest, fanciest words. It's about choosing the right ones, the essential ones, the words that build bridges. It just goes to show you there's incredible power in keeping things simple and clear. And that kind of leaves us with one last thing to chew on. We have, hundreds of thousands of words we can use every single day. But what if you couldn't? What if you were stuck with just those 850 core words? What would be the most important thing you'd need to say? What ideas are so vital, so serious, that you'd make sure they got through? Definitely something to think about.